Okay, Gina, I'm going to check your test. Let's start with the reading part. Okay. Humor number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 10. That is correct. Okay, perfect. Number 2, let me see. Number 1, true. Number 2, false. Number 3, false. Number 4, true. Number 5, false. Number 6, true. Number 7, false. Number 8, true. So you've got 10 in the reading part, okay? Let's see the part of grammar and vocabulary. Test 5. Number 1, hot shower, comfortable armchair, Asian city, safe building, tidy desk. Perfect. That is perfect. Let's see number 2. Okay, number 2. Number 1 is worried, exciting, boring, tired, and shocked. It is perfect. Very good. Number 3, didn't study, didn't stop. Very good. Didn't enjoy, didn't watch, and didn't want. That is perfect too. Let's see that is number 3. El 4 está haga. Invited, very good. Listened, danced, did receive an order. That is perfect too. Very good. Let's see number 5. What did you play with? Where did you live? Very good. What did you watch? What did you study? When did you tidy your room? That is perfect too. Very good. Let's see number 6. Number 1, planned. Very good. Now I'm going to check the other page. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, here it is. Let me see. Number 2. Looked, very good. Showed, walked, and started. Very good. Number 2. A ver, let me see. To be, very good. 3C, very good. 1D, very good. 5E and 4F. That is perfect too. Excellent, Gina. So the part of Unit 5, it is perfect. Let's see Unit 6. Number 1, friendship, myth, remembers, score, certainly. That is perfect. Very good. Let's see the other part. Number 1, won, flew, taught, built, and became. That is perfect too. Very good. Let's see number 3. What did you buy at the mall yesterday? No, that is not correct. Let me show you why. Ok, Gina, en este ejercicio, en el tercero, ustedes tenían que armar una pregunta cuya respuesta sea lo que está subrayado. Si dice at the mall, la palabra interrogativa correcta hubiese sido where, ¿ok? Where did you buy your computer, yesterday? Para que responda at the mall, ¿ok? Is it clear? Vos escribiste, let me see, what did you buy at the mall yesterday? La pregunta está bien gramaticalmente, pero estaría mal la palabra interrogativa, ¿ok? Okay, let's see number 2. When did George and Olga get married? That is correct. How did Sandra's parents go to town? That is perfect. How much did you pay for your tablet? Perfect. Where did your mom go last week? The other ones are perfect. Let's see number 4. Did you speak? Very good. Spent, got, didn't know, and came. That is perfect. Excellent. Let's see number 5. Didn't give and took, didn't drive, walked, didn't spend, bought, didn't see, went, didn't understand, knew. That is perfect too. Very good, Gina. Let's see number 6. One is C, the correct one. Number 2 is A. Number 3, está bien, it is correct. Number 4 is B. And number 5 is B. Okay? But let's see the mistakes. Vamos a verlos. Wait a minute. Okay, Gina. Number 1, la correcta sería C. Nina won because hers was the best song. ¿Por qué? Ahí necesito usar un possessive pronoun, ¿ok? No, obviamente no el she porque es un subject, pronoun. Y el her no porque sería un possessive adjective y después sí o sí necesitaría la palabra song. Her song was the best song, ¿ok? Para reemplazar el possessive adjective y el sustantivo son, uso el possessive pronoun que es hers, ¿ok? La otra que tenías mal, en la 2, la correcta sería la A. We invited some friends of ours to the party, ¿ok? Y en la 4, también te habías equivocado. Do Beyoncé and Jay-Z sing. La correcta sería their songs, ¿ok? La B, porque ahí necesito el possessive adjective porque tengo el sustantivo songs, ¿ok? Después, el theirs reemplazaría el their songs, la opción A, pero la correcta era la B. Ok, Gina, that's all.